Exercise 10.5. Before starting this exercise, there are 2-3 theorems that we will explain, that we will use in the exercise. So first is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. They are saying like this is a circle. The angle subtended by an arc, like this P and Q is a arc. This is an arc, and angle made by this arc on the center, like POQ, angle POQ is double the angle if we make an angle at any point of the circle. PAQ is equal to half of angle POQ, or POQ is equal to double of angle PAQ. Angle made by an arc on the center is double angle made by any point of the circle. Second one is angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. In same segment, angles are equal. Like this is a circle, this is a chord. This is major segment and this is minor segment. Now, angles in the same segment, like if angle PRQ is equal to angle PSQ, these angles are equal. Angles in the same segment are always equal. These angles are equal. And cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? When all the points of a quadrilateral are on the circle is called cyclic quadrilateral. Like PQRS, all the points are on the circle. Now it means this is a cyclic quadrilateral. And in cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. It means angle S plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. Sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. Angle P, angle R is equal to 180 degree. So first sum is 10.5 exercise. First sum, figure is given. A, B and C are 3 points on a circle. A, B and C are 3 points on a circle with center O, such that angle BOC is equal to 30 degree and angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. If D is a point on the circle other than the arc ABC, find angle ADC. We have to find angle this one, angle ADC. These two angles are given. If we write angle AOC is equal to the sum of angle AOB plus BOC. Na? Angle AOB plus angle BOC. Angle AOB is given 60, BOC is given 30 degree. That is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. Now, this full angle is 90 degree. This angle is made on center na, and we know that angle made by an arc on the center is double angle made on any point of the circle. This is any point of the circle. It means this is half of this one na. Angle ADC is equal to half of angle AOC. It means multiply 90 is equal to 45 degree. Angle ADC equal to 45 degree. Second sum, a chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Figure is not given. We will draw firstly figure. They are saying this is a circle and chord, one chord AB. I have drawn one chord AB. This chord is equal to the radius of the circle. If this is center, OA and OB are radius of the circle. It means AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. This is given. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. This is minor arc AB and this is the major arc. So they are saying find the angles made on major arc and also on minor arc. It means we have to find angle ACB and angle ADB. These two angles we have to find. So firstly we will take triangle OAB, in which we know that all sides are equal. OA, AB and OB are equal, we have written. It means if all sides are equal, this is an equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle, and in equilateral triangle all the angles are 60 degree. It means angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Angle AOB is 60 degree na. We have to find angle C. Angle C na, and this angle is on the center and this is on the any point of the circle. It means this is half of this angle. It means angle ACB is equal to half of angle AOB. 1/2 into 60, that is equal to 30 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. It means angle in the major arc is equal to 30 degree. Now we have to find angle on the minor arc ADB. You can see ADBO is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. It means opposite angles are equal. ADBC is a cyclic quadrilateral. ADBC is a cyclic quadrilateral. It means all the sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. Angle ACB plus angle ADB is equal to 180 degree. ACB we find na 30 degree plus angle ADB is equal to 180 degree. It means angle ADB equal to 180 minus 30, 150 degree.